What's going on, guys? Is today I want to talk to you about Facebook Messenger marketing. One of the cool things about Facebook Messenger marketing is it does something that most other marketing types don't allow you to do. Okay? What that means is it allows you to have conversational marketing. What is conversational marketing? You're using Facebook Messenger to have a conversation with your potential or ideal clients, or even your previous buyers, right? So instead of just a static website or maybe a landing page, you actually can program Messenger to answer common, frequently asked questions about your business or about information regarding your business, right? And the other best thing about it, that Facebook Messenger is planted right here on your phone, okay? So that means every time you send a message with your business page to someone, they're gonna get a notification across the front screen of your phone. Why is that important? Well, obviously most people are gonna check their Facebook Messenger inbox as opposed to email. Everybody's not gonna check every email. We don't have time to check every email because on average people get between 20 to 100 emails a day. So a lot of emails are gonna go unlooked at, or unopened, I would say. The open rate is gonna be very low. In contrast with Facebook Messenger, 80 to 90% of those Messenger inbox messages are going to be open. And if you already have a business where people have been inboxing your Messenger page, you can run ads to just those specific people at a fraction of the cost that it will cost you when you're running cold email campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, any of those, okay? So it's just a completely different beast. Now, it's easy to do this, easy to set up your Facebook Messenger page to receive messages. However, you need to have a specific software to make sure that you have messenger sequences set up custom to your business. It keeps you from having unread messages in your inbox for potential businesses, potential sales, and things of that nature, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. Now, you can get all of these things set up with our DFY, Done For You system, set up your business to answer and utilize Messenger on behalf of your business for everyone that interacts with you on Facebook, okay? So if that's something you're interested in, you want to take a look at, feel free to click on either the link above or below in this video, and we will schedule a free call where we can discuss how to implement that for you and your business, okay? This is something that's been happening for a lot of different business owners that have been able to utilize this to get more sales, more commissions for the realtors, home builders, etc. So excited to give you more information about that. Make sure you click the link. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.